full entrance. Let's make sure that you're optimizing it. So when you come in, you can really see it. So you're going to get rid of this, which you don't love. You're going to move this inkberry either right here or right there, and possibly think about a dwarf mountain laurel. Then you'll have still some evergreens. Here then, it's the shade perennials. It's your Solomon seal, Astilbe, some hosta, you can move, I think you have some from over there. Bleeding heart, there's the smaller kind, not the big sprawling kind that might be nice in there. I'm just giving you options. Hellebores, European wild ginger, lungwort. These are all things, some of which are little. You could also do some bulbs for the spring. So then this area is beautiful and kind of packed, but also you can really see it when you approach. Then you mirror it here, or you keep this inkberry there, okay? You remove this, put it in a sunnier spot. You pull this down so that when you're approaching, you can actually see your doorway and it's not like this big tall thing.